Hi, my name is Kristjan and I really enjoy upgrading and modding stuff. And I have my Ender 3v2 for 1 year now. And this is one of the cheapest, high quality, fully open source 3D printers on the market. A lot of people all across the world are modifying and improving this thing. And even some third-party companies manufacture parts and upgrade for it. So I will upgrade this printer from this to this. Some of these upgrades you will be able to print on your own and others you will have to buy. I will start with stronger springs for bed and aluminium knobs. Unscrew the knobs and replace the springs, then screw back on the knobs. This is stock Creality plastic extruder and that's not last you for very long, so I replaced with fully metal dual gear extruder. And don't forget to properly calibrate your E-steps. Alright, bowden tubes. These things go to the higher temperature than the stock tube. This filament mount is too tall, so I will use a 45 degrees mount. With this it also looks nicer. I move my printer a lot, so with this handle it will be easier now. If you have your 3D printer near your bed, it's hard to sleep because the LCD screen being so bright. So I 3D print normal screen cover. So I use this beautiful scraper a lot more than I thought, so I 3D print scraper holder. I never know where is my USB adapter, so I 3D print USB holder. Common problem with the Enders is that the Z-axis motor is actually a bit too close to the frame of the printer. Z-axis motor spacer released stress on thread rod. Whenever I print with PETG, I found a lot of plastic debris in the V-slots in the front of the printer, so I find these simple V-slot strips. Alright, so those are all 10 upgrades I added to my Ender 3v2, and this video took so long to edit. If you guys have suggestions, please comment down below, and if I get enough upgrades I will make part 2. Thank you for watching, see you in the next video.